एनिमल किंगडम चैप्टर नंबर 4। तो यहाँ हम क्या क्या पढ़ने वाले हैं, बेसिस ऑफ क्लासिफिकेशन एंड क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ एनिमल। तो व्हेन यू लुक अराउंड you will observe different animal with a different structure and forms. As over a million species of animal have been described till now, the need of classification become all more important. Classification also help in assigning the system possible to the newly described species. Basis of classification. In spite of differentiation in structure and the form, different animal, there are fundamental features to common to various individual in a relations to the arrangement of cells, body symmetry, nature of xylem, pattern of digestive, circulatory or reproductive system. These features are used as a basic animal classification and the sum of them are described here. Label of organization. Through all the member of Animalia are multicellular. All of them do not exhibit the same pattern of organization of cell. For example, in the sponges, the cells are arranged as a loose cell aggregate. They exhibit cellular level of organization. Some division of labor activity occur among the cell. In the Coleontretas, the arrangement of cell is more complex. Here the cell performing the surface function are arranged into tissue, hence it is called the tissue level of organization. A still higher level of organizations, therefore organ level is exhibited by the member of Platyhelminthes and the other higher phyla where tissues are grouped together to form organ. Each specialized for a particular function. In animals like Annelida, Arthropoda, molluscs, echinoderms and the chordatas, organs have associated to form fundamental systems. Each system concerned with a specific physiological function. This pattern is called organ system level of organization. Organ system in a different group of animal exhibit various pattern of the complicities. For example, the digestive system in the Platyhelminthes has only a single opening to outside of the body that serve as a both mouth and the anus, and hence is called the incomplete. A complete digestive system has two openings of the mouth and anus. Similarly, the circular systems may be of two types. Open type, in which the blood is pumped out of the heart and the cells and the tissues are directly bathed in it. Closed type, in which the blood is circulated through the series of vessels of the varying diameter, arteries, veins and the capillaries. Symmetry. Animal can categorize on the basis of their symmetry. Sponges are the mostly asymmetrical. Therefore, any plane that passes through the center does not divide them into equal halves. When any plane passing through the central axis of the body divide the organism into two identical halves, it is called the radial symmetry. Coleontretes, ctenophorus, echinoderm have this kind of body plan. फिगर में दिया है 4.1. दिस इज अ रेडियल सिमेट्री. एनिमल्स लाइक एनिलिडा, आर्थ्रोपोडा etc., where the body can be divided into identical left and the right halves in only one plane exhibits, that is called bilateral symmetry. Figure 4.1b given. This is the bilateral symmetry. Then 4.1.3, diploblastic and triploblastic organism. Animals in which the cells are arranged into two embryonic layers, an external ectoderms and internal endoderm, are called the diploblastic animal. Example, Coleontretas, an undifferentiated layer, mesogilia, is present in between the ectoderm and the endoderm in the figure 4.2a given. This is the sowing germinal layer, diploblastic. This is diploblastic और this is a triploblastic. डिप्लोब्लास्टिक यहाँ पे इसका लेबलिंग देखें तो दिस इज द मिसोगेलिया, दिस इज द इक्टोडर्म, ये वाला दोनों इक्टोडर्म एंड अंदर का पार्ट, दिस इज अंदर का पार्ट, दिस इज अ एंडोडर्म, और ये वाला हमारा मिसोडर्म, ये मिसोगेलिया, दिस इज अ मिसोडर्म. फिर यहाँ पे आ रहे हैं those animals in which the developing embryo has a third germinal layer of mesoderm, जिसके पास third germinal layer that is mesoderm. In between the ectoderm and endoderm are called triploblastic, जिसमें ectoderm endoderm that is called triploblastic animal platyhelminthes to chordata. फिगर 4.2 बी गिवन, यहाँ फिगर 4.2 में गिवन है दैट इज डायग्रामेटिक सेक्शन व्यू ऑफ सबसे पहला है सिलोमेट. यहाँ पे सबसे पहले सिलोमेट है ए नंबर में दैट इज सिलोम, इनर पार्ट है दैट इज अ सिलोम एंड इन द बी नंबर स्यूडो सिलोमेट. यहाँ पे स्यूडो सिलोमेट है इन द स्ट्रक्चर गिवन, अंदर वाला पार्ट स्यूडो सिलोमेट खाली वाला. एंड देन सी नंबर इज कॉल्ड एसिलोमेट. यहाँ पे एसिलोमेट है, दिस इज द एसिलोमेट. सी नंबर सिलोम, सिलोम क्या होता है उसको देखते हैं. Presence or absence of a cavity between the body walls and the gut wall is a very important in the classification. The body cavity which is lined by the mesoderm that is called coelom. Animal possessed coeloms are called coelomate. Example: Annelida, molluscus, arthropoda, echinodermata, hemichordata and the chordata in figure 4.3a. Some animals the body cavity is not lined by the mesoderm. Instead, the mesoderm is present scattered pouches in between the ectoderm and endoderm. Such a body cavity is called the pseudocoelomate. And animal possessed are called the pseudocoelomate. Example: SK helminthes. Figure 4.3b given. This is the SK helminthes 4.3b. The pseudocoelomate है 4.3 में given. And the animals which body cavity is absent are called acoelomate. जिसमें body cavity is not there, that is acoelomate. Example 4.3 figure C given, platyhelminthes. Then segmentation. In some animal, the body is externally and the internally divided into the segment with serial repetition of at least some organ. For example, earthworm. The bodies of the pattern are called the metameric segmentation, and the phenomena is known as a metamerism. Notochord. Notochord is a mesodermally derived rod-like structure formed on the dorsal side during the embryonic development in some animal. Animal with the notochord are called the chordate, and those animal which do not form the structure are called the non-chordate. Example: Porifera or echinoderms. Classification of animal. The broad classification of animal based on the common fundamental features as mentioned in the preceding section in the figure 4.4. In the figure 4.4 given classification of animal. In the figure 4.4 यहाँ पे broad classification of kingdom Animalia based on the common fundamental feature different phyla are described. So this is a kingdom, and this is a level of organization, symmetry, body cavity and the phyla. Kingdom है Animalia, multicellular. Level of organization is a cellular, and the tissue organ system. Cellular are the mostly symmetry. कैसा होता है cellular? Mostly asymmetrical. Body cavity is a acoelomate, and the phyla, कौन कौन phyla आएगा इसके अंदर? Porifera. Animal multicellular tissue organ system that is divided into two, radial and the bilateral. Radial में acoelomate, acoelomate के अंदर phyla कौन कौन आएगा? That is Colentrata, Cnidaria and Ctenophora. उसके बाद बाइलेटरल सिमेट्री विदाउट बॉडी कैविटी, जिसके पास बॉडी कैविटी नहीं है दैट इज कॉल्ड एसिलोमेट. उसमें फाइला है प्लेटीहेल्मिन्थेस विद द फॉल्स सिलोम स्यूडोपोडिया. स्यूडोसिलोमेट जिसके पास फॉल्स सिलोम है दैट इज कॉल्ड एसके हेल्मिन्थेस विद ट्रू सिलोम जिसके पास ट्रू सिलोम है दैट इज कॉल्ड एनिलिडा, अर्थोपोडा, मोलस्का, इकाइनोडर्मेटा, हेमिकोडेटा एंड द कोडेटा. यहाँ पे इकाइनोडर्मेटा एग्जिबिट रेडियल बाइलेटरल सिमेट्री. यहाँ बताया गया है कि इकाइनोडर्मेटा एग्जिबिट, उसके पास क्या रहता है रेडियल और अ बाइलेटरल सिमेट्री डिपेंडिंग ऑन द स्टेजेस. कौन से स्टेज पे है उससे पता लगा सकते हैं कि वो रेडियल है कि बाइलेटरल है. द इम्पॉर्टेंट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक फीचर्स ऑफ अ डिफरेंट फाइला आर डिस्क्राइब. डिफरेंट फाइला का क्या क्या इंपॉर्टेंट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक है वो डिस्क्राइब किया गया है. सबसे पहले पढ़ते हैं हम पोरीफेरा के बारे में. Members of the phyla are the commonly known as the sponges. They are the generally marine and the mostly asymmetrical animal in the figure 4.5 given. यहाँ फिगर एग्जाम्पल ऑफ द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ पोरीफेरा. पोरीफेरा का एग्जाम्पल क्या है? साइकोन है. ए नंबर में साइकोन, बी नंबर में यूस्पोंजिया, बी नंबर स्पोंजिया, और सी नंबर में डैट इज शंख की तरह दिख रहा है स्पोंगेलिया. सी नंबर स्पोंगेलिया. तो these are the primitive multicellular animal and have a cellular level of organization. Sponges have a water transport or a canal system. Water enters through the minute pore that is called ostia in the body wall into the central cavity spongiocele, from where the goes out through the osculum. The pathway of a water transport is helpful in the food gathering, respiratory exchanges, and the removal of the waste. Conocytes or a collar cells line of spongiocele and the canals. Digestion of the intracellular. The body is supported by skeleton made of the spiculous or a spongin fiber. Sexes are not separate, that is hermaphrodite. Therefore, eggs or sperms are produced by the same individual. Sponges reproduce asexually by the fermentation and sexually by the formation of the gamete. Fertilization is internal and developed in an indirect, having a larval stages which is a morphological distinct from the adult. Example में है साइकोन, that is Saifa spongelia, fresh water sponge, and the euspongia, bath sponge, जैसे कि नहाने में भी काम आता है. फाइला कोलेंट्रेटा सिनेडेरिया. तो दे आर एक्वेटिक, मोस्टली मेराइन, सिजाइल और फ्री स्विमिंग radially symmetrical animal in the figure 4.6 given. The name of Cnidaria is derived from a cyanoblast or the cyndocyte, which contain the stinging capsule nematocytes. तो फिगर देख लेते हैं 4.6. एग्जाम्पल ऑफ कोलेंट्रेटास इंडिकेटिंग आउटलाइन ऑफ देयर बॉडी फॉर्म्स. ओरिला मेड्यूसा, पहला क्या है? ओरिला मेड्यूसा. एंड द बी नंबर, दिस इज ओरिला. बी नंबर एडमिसा पॉलिप, दिस इज एडमिसा पॉलिप. यहाँ तक पढ़ लिए थे. देन cyanodoblast are used for the anchorage and the defense and the capture of the prey in the figure 4.7. 4.7 में दिया गया है फिगर फॉर कैप्चरिंग ऑफ द प्रे में. 4.7 में डायग्रामेटिक व्यू ऑफ द cyanodoblast. This is for the capturing of the prey. They have a central gastrovascular cavity with a single opening. With the single opening mouth on the hypostome. Digestion is extracellular and the intracellular. Some of the cnidarians, example corals, have a skeleton composed of the calcium carbonate. Cnidarian exhibits the two basic body forms that called polyp and the medusa. In the figure 4.6 given already, the forms is a sessiles and the cylindrical forms like hydra, adamsia, etc., whereas the latter in umbrella shaped and the free swimming like orilla or the jellyfish. Those cnidarians which exhibit in a both form exhibit alternations of generation metagenesis. Therefore, polyp produce medusa asexually and the medusa form polyp sexually. Obelia. Example: Physalia, Portuguese man of war, Adamsia, sea anemone, and Penitula, sea pen, and the Gorgonia, sea fan, and then Minderina, that is brain coral. Phyla Cnidophora. Phyla Ctenophora, not a Cnidophora, this is a Ctenophora. Ctenophora, commonly known as a sea walnut or the comb jellies, are exclusive marine, radially symmetrical, diploblastic organism with a tissue level of organization. The body bear 8 external rows of the ciliated comb plate which help in a locomotion in the figure 4.8. In the figure 4.8, example of the Ctenophora, that is Pleurobrachia. This is a Pleurobrachia helping. This is long choti like structure helping in swimming. Digestion is both extracellular and the intracellular. Bioluminescence, the properties of a living organism to emit light. बायोल्यूमिनेसेंस, बायोल्यूमिनेसेंस मतलब कि वो अपना लाइट इमिट करता है, खुद का लाइट. इज वेल मार्केटेड इन द टीनोफोरा. Sexes are not separate. Reproductions take place only by the sexual mean. Fertilization is external with the indirect development. Example, Pleurobrachia and the Tinoplana. फिर उसके बाद एग्जाम्पल प्लेटीहेलमेंथिस. तो दे हैव अ डोर्सोवेंट्रली flatted body, hence are called the flatworms. Example 4.9 given. यहाँ पे 4.9 में एग्जाम्पल ऑफ प्लेटीहेलमेंथिस, पहला है टैपवॉर्म, दूसरा है लिवर फ्लूक. उसके बाद दे आर द मोस्टली इंडो पैरासाइट फाउंड इन एनिमल इंक्लूडिंग ह्यूमन बींग. Flatworms are the bilateral, symmetrical, triploblastic and the acoelomate animal with the organ level of organization. Hooks and the suckers are present in the parasite form. Some of them, as a absorb nutrition, forms host directly through their body surface. Specialized cells are called the flame cells, help in the osmoregulation and the excretion. Sexes are not separate. Fertilization is internal and developed in through the many larval stages. Some of the member like planaria possess high regeneration capacity. Example में है टेनिया, that is called tapeworm, and the fasciola, that is called liver fluke. Then हमारा फाइला एसके हेलमेंथिस आता है. एसके हेलमेंथिस में बोल रहा है द बॉडी ऑफ द एसके हेलमेंथिस इज सर्कुलर क्रॉस सेक्शंस, हैंस नेम ऑफ द राउंड वॉर्म्स इन द फिगर 4.10. दिस इज द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ द एसके हेलमेंथिस राउंड वॉर्म्स. ये वाला थोड़ी लंबी लंबी दिख रही है, नॉट कर्ल, दैट इज कॉल्ड मेल, और द फीमेल थोड़ा कर्ल्ड रहेगी. They have a free living aquatic and the terrestrial parasite in the plant and the animal. Roundworms have a organ system level of the body organization. They have a bilateral, symmetrical, triploblastic and the pseudocoelomate animal. Alimentary canal is a complete with a well-developed muscular pharynx as a excretory tube remove body wastes from the body cavity and through the excretory pore. Sexes are separate, dioecious. Males and the females are the distinct. Often females are longer than a male. Fertilization is internal and developed, may be directly. Young ones resemble the adult or indirect. Example, Ascariasis, roundworms, Euchernia, filaria worms, and the Ankylostoma, hookworm. Phyla Annelida. They have a aquatic, marine or a freshwater, terrestrial, free living and the sometime parasite. They exhibit organ system level of body organization and the bilateral symmetry. They are the triploblastic, metameretically segment and the coelomate animal. Their body surface distinctly marketed out of the segment metamerism and hence they phyla name Annelida, that is Latin annulus, little ring in the figure 4.1. This is an example of Annelida nereis. This is a nereis and this is a Hyriodenaria. This is Hyriodenaria और ये वाला पहला वाला nereis. Then figure completed. They possess longitudinal and the circular muscles with the help of locomotion. Aquatic annelidas like nereis possess lateral appendages and the parapodia which help in swimming. A closed circular system present nephridia, singular nephridium, help in the osmoregulation and excretion. Neural system consists of the paired ganglia, singular ganglion, connected by the lateral nerves to the double ventral nerve cord. Nereis, an aquatic form, dioecious, but earthworm and the leeches are monoecious, and reproduction is sexual. Example: Nereis, that is parenchyma, earthworm, and the Hydrodinaria, that is blood-sucking leech. Phyla Arthropoda. This is the largest phyla of the Animalia, which include insect. Over two-thirds of the name of species on earth are arthropoda. Example 4.12. Some example of arthropoda: locust. The first one are locust, you all seen. Butterfly, then scorpion and prawn. They have a organ system level of organization. They are bilateral, symmetrical, triploblastic segmentation, and the coelomate animal. The bodies of arthropoda is covered by the cutaneous skeleton. The body consists of head, thorax, and abdomen. They have a joint appendage, arthros joint, poda appendage. Respiratory organs are gills, book, lungs, or a tracheal system. Circulatory system is open type. Sensory organ like antenna, eyes, compound, and the simple statocyte or a balancing organ are present. Excretions take place through the Malpighian tube. They have a mostly dioecious. Fertilization is usually internal. They are the mostly oviparous. Development may be direct or indirect. Example: economically important insect: apis, honeybee, bombec, that is called the silkworm, and the lechiferous slug insect. Vectors, that is Anopheles, clues, or Aedes mosquitoes. Gregarious pests: Locusta, that is locust, living fossil, Limulus, king crab. Then phylum Mollusca. This is the second largest animal phyla in the figure 4.13 given. In the figure 4.13, example of mollusca: Pilia or octopus. Molluscas are a terrestrial or the aquatic, marine, or a freshwater, having an organ system level of organization. They are the bilateral, symmetrical, triploblastic, coelomate animal. Body is covered by the calcareous cell and is unsegmented with a distinct head, muscular foot, visceral hump. A soft and the spongy layer of skin forms as a mantle over the visceral hump. The space between the hump and the mantle is called the mantle cavity, which feathers like gills are present. They have a respiratory or excretory system. The anterior head regions has a sensory tentacles. The mouth contains file-like rasping organ for feeding called radula. Then they are usually dioecious and the oviparous with indirect development. Example: Pilia, apple snail, Pincatata, pearl oyster, and sepia, that is cuttlefish, loligo, squid, octopus, devilfish, aplysia, sea hairy, dentula, tuxels, and the Setioplura, Cuton. Phyla Echinodermata. These animals have an endoskeleton of the calcareous ossicles, and hence the names of Echinodermata. Spiny body, figure 4.14. All the marine with an organ system level of organization. The adult echinoderms are radially symmetrical, but the larvae are the bilateral symmetrical. They are the triploblastic and They are triploblastic and the coelomate animal. Digestion system is incomplete with mouth on the lower ventricle side and the anus on the upper dorsal side. The most distinct feature of echinoderms is the presence of water vascular system, which help in the locomotion, capture and the transport of food and the respirations. An excretory system is absent. Sexes are separate. Reproduction is sexual and the fertilization is usually external. Development is indirect with a free swimming larva. Example, asterias, that is called starfish, echinus, that is called sea urchin, and the antedon, that is sea jelly, and the cucumberia, that is sea cucumber, and Ophiura, that is called brittle star. Phyla Hemichordata. Hemichordata was the earlier considered as a subphyla under the phylum Chordata, but now it is placed as a separate phylum under the non-Chordata. Hemichordata have a rudimentary structure in the collar regions are called stomochord and the structure similar to notochord. This phyla consists of the small group of the worms like a marine animal with the organ system level of organization. They are a bilateral symmetrical triploblastic and the coelomate animal. The body of cylindrical and it is composed of anterior proboscis, a collar, long trunk in the figure 4.15. In the figure that is called Ballonglossus. Ballonglossus. This is a figure of the Ballonglossus. In the labeling पढ़े तो proboscis, then beach wala collar and last wala trunk. Circulatory system is a open type. Respiratory take place through the gills. Excretory organ is a proboscis gland. Sexes are separate. Fertilization is external. Development is indirect. And the example is a Belangolus and the Secugolus. Phyla Chordata. In the phyla Chordata, animals belonging to the phyla Chordata are the fundamentally characterized by the presence of notochord and the dorsal hollow nerve cord and the paired pharyngeal gill sits in the figure 4.16. In the figure 4.16 chordata characteristics. In the figure, this is a nerve cord upper wala, then notochord. This is a post anal part and this is gill. In the figure 4.16 given, these are the bilateral symmetrical triploblastic coelomate with the organ system level of organizations. They possessed post anal tail and closed circulatory system. The table 4.8 present the comparison of a salient features of chordatas and the non-chordatas. So in the table, comparison of chordatas and non-chordatas. In chordatas, notochord present, non-chordatas, notochord absent. Central nerve system is a dorsal hollow and single. In the non-chordates, central nerve system is ventral and the solid and double. Pharynx performed by gill cells. Gills still are absent. Heart is a ventral, heart is a dorsal if present. A post-anal part, tail is a present, post-anal tail is a absent. Phylum Chordatas is divided into three subphyla, that is Urochordatas or Tunochaetas, Phenohelochordatas and the Vertebrata. Subphyla Euchordatas and the Phenohelochordatas are often referred to the protochordates in the figure 4.17. In the figure 1. Escadia diagram of given of the protochordates and are exclusive marine. In euchordate, notochord is present only in larval tail, while in the Ctenophalochordates it extends from the head to region and persistent through their life. Example: euchordates, Escadia, Salpa, Dolium, Tinohelocordate, Branchiostoma, and Amphoceus or lanceolate. The member of the subphyla vertebrate passes notochord during the embryonic period. The notochord is replaced by the cartilaginous or the bony ventral column in the adult. Thus, all the vertebrates and chordates, but all chordates are not vertebrate. Besides the basic chordate characteristic, vertebrate have a ventral muscular heart with a 2 or 3 or 4 chamber, kidney for excretion, and the osmoregulation in paired appendix, which may be fins or limbs. Then this is a subphyla of the vertebratas is further divided as follows. This is a vertebrata division. Engnatha, that is called lockjaw, and the Ganathostomata, that is bear's jaw. Then Agnathas is called class Cyclostomata. Then Ganathostomata, bear's jaw superclass, can divide it into two pieces, that is called bear fins, and the tetrapoda, that is bear limbs. In the bear fin pieces, that is called that is tenoidrocytes and the osteocytes. Then class यहाँ पे टेट्रापोडा में bear limbs, amphibians, reptile, apes, and the mammals. In the class Cyclostomata, all living members of the class Cyclostomata. In the Cyclostomata, all living members of the class Cyclostomata, that is ectoparasite of the some species, they have a elongated body bearing 6-15 pair of gills and the celled for a respiration. Cyclostomes have a sucking and a circular mouth without a jaw. In the figure 4.18, a jawless vertebrate tetromyozoon. This is a jawless vertebrate tetromyozoon यहाँ पे है विदाउट जॉ, इसके पास जॉ ही नहीं है. उसके बाद their body is a devoid of a scales and the paired fin, cranium and vertebral columns and cartilaginous. Circulation is of a closed type, and the cyclostomes are marine but migrate for swapping to the fresh water. After the swapping, within a few days they die. Their larvae, after a metamorphosis, return to the oceans. Example, tetromyozoon, that is a lamprey, and the myxine, that is hangfish. एग्जाम्पल था. उसके पास क्लास Conodriorhynchus. They are a marine animal with a streamlined body and have a cartilaginous endoskeleton. In the figure 4.19, example of cartilaginous fish, that is Scolodiodon, and the second number में है Peristisis. The mouth is located ventrically. Notochord is a persistence throughout the life. Gills sills are separate and without orculum, gill covered. The skin is tough and containing minute pelezoid scales. Teeth are modified, and the placoid scales with are backwardly directed. Their jaws are very powerful. These animals are predaceous due to the absence of air bladder. They have to swim constantly to avoid sinking. Heart is a two-chamber. One is called auricle and the one is called the ventricle. Some of them have electrically organs, that is called torpedo, and the some possess the poison stinging, that is called trigone, and they are cold-blooded, that is poikilothermals, an animal. They lack of the capacity to regulate their body temperature. Sexes are separate. In the males, pelvic fins bear a claspers, and they have internal fertilizations, and many of them are viviparous. Example is Collodion, that is called dogfish, and Pristis, that is called the jawfish, and the Chaerodon, that is called great white shark, and Trigon, that is stingray. Class ओस्टिसाइट्स, क्लास कौन है? ओस्टिसेथाइस. It include both marine and the freshwater fishes with a bony endoskeleton. Their body is a streamlined, mouth is a mostly terminal in the figure 4.20. Example of the bony fish, that is a hippocampus and the katla. They have a 4 pair of gills which is covered by the operculum, or each side of skin is covered with a cycloid stenoid scales. Air bladder is present with which regulate the buoyancy. Heart is a 2 chamber. One is called auric and the one is called ventricle. They have a cold-blooded animal. Sexes are separate. Fertilization is usually external. They are the mostly oviparous, and the development is indirect. Example marine Excocytials, that is called flying fish, and hippocampus, that is called the seahorse, and the freshwater, that is called lambio rohu, and katla. Calarisis, that is called magur, and aquarium, that is called betta fishing fish, and the Ctenophilum, that is called anglefish. Class amphibia. As the marine indicate, GR, amphi, dual, bios, life. Amphibians can live in an aquatic as well as a terrestrial habitat in the 4.21 given. This is an example of the amphibians, Salamandera and the Rena. Most of them have 2 pairs of the limbs. Body is divided into head and the trunk. Tail may be present in some. The amphibian skin is moist without a scale. The eyes are eyelid, and the tympanum present the ear. Alimentary canal, that is called urinary reproductive tract, open into the common chamber, that is called cloaca, which opens to the exterior. Respiratory is by the gills, lungs, and through the skin. The heart is 3 chamber, 2 auricles, and the 1 ventricle. They have a cold-blooded animal. Sexes are separate. Fertilization is external. They are the oviparous, and development is indirect. Example bufu, that is called toad, rana, frog, hyla, tree frog, Salamandera, that is called salamandera, and the Ichthyoposis, that is called limbless, and limbless amphibia. Then amphibia के बाद आता है क्लास रेप्टिला. तो some figure of given, that is called figure है पढ़ेंगे उसके बाद. The class of the name of refers to their creeping or the crawling mode of locomotion, that is called Latin, and the repair of the laptum to creep or quarrel. They are a mostly terrestrial animal, and both the body is covered by the dry and the cornified skin. Epidermal scales or scoitus. They do not have an external ear opening. Lymphanum represent ear. Limbs with present are the 2 pair. Heart is usually 3 chamber, but a 4 chamber in a crocodile. Reptiles are the poikilotheriums, and the snakes and lizards shed their scales as a skin cast. Sexes are separate. Fertilization is internal. They are oviparous, and development is indirect. Example Chilon, that is called turtle, Testodo, that is tortoise, Camelon, that is called tree lizard, Calotos, that is called garden lizard, Crocodilius, that is crocodile, alligators, that is alligator, Hemidecytelus, wall lizard, poisonous snake, Naza, cobra, Begorus, carrot, and Vipera, viper. Class apes. The characteristic feature of ape birds are present is feathers, and the most of can fly except flightless bird, ostrich. They possess a beak in the figure 4.23. The figure 4.3 some of the birds का given है. That is को नियोफोरा. ए नंबर में है हमारा नियोफोरा, दूसरे नंबर में है स्ट्रियोथियो, दिस इज स्ट्रोथियो। एंड सी नंबर में है पिस्टाकुला, दिस इज पिस्टाकुला। एंड यहाँ पे है पावो, डी नंबर में कहा है पावो। तो यहाँ पे फिगर हम नहीं देखे थे 4.22 का, तो 4.22 में फिगर में रेप्टाइल्स दिया है, कैमलॉन है ए नंबर में, उसके बाद बी नंबर में क्रोकोडाइलियस है, फिर चिलोन है, उसके बाद ये क्या है नाजा। Figure completed. The forelimbs are modified into wings. The hind limbs generally have scales and are modified for walking, swimming, and the collapsing the tree and branches. Skin is dry without a gland except the oil gland at the the forelimbs are modified into wings. The hind limbs generally have scales and modify for walking, swimming, or collapsing the tree branches. Skin is dry without a gland except the oil gland at the base of the tail. Endoskeleton is a fully ossified bony and the long bones are a hollow with air cavities that is a pneumatics. The digestive tract for a bird has a additional chamber. The crop has a gizzard. Heart is a completely fourth chamber. They are the warm-blooded homeothermosis animals. Therefore, they are able to maintain a constant body temperature. Respiration is by lungs. Air sacs connected to the lungs and the supplement respiration. Sexes are separate. Fertilization is internal. They are the oviparous and the developed in is direct. Example as Vios, that is crow, Columba, that is pigeon, and the Pistacula, parrot. ये तो हमारा एप्स का एग्जाम्पल है. The Pistacula, that in the Pistacula parrot, Thurothio, that is ostrich, pavo, peacock, Aptinos, dice, that is penguin, Neopheron, vulture. Class Mammalia. They are the found in a variety of habitat: polar ice cap, desert, mountain, forest, grassland, dark cave. Some of them have adapted as a fly or live in a water. The most of unique mammalian characteristic is the presence of a milk producing gland, mammary gland, by which of the young ones are nourished. They have the two pairs of limbs adapted for walking, running, climbing, burrowing, swimming, or flying. The skin of in the figure given here 4.24, some of the mammals, that is called Ornithohynus. This is a Ornithohynus. And B number is called Micropus. This Micropus B number. And the C number is a Petropus. This is a Petropus. And the D number is a Balenodopetra. Mammals is a unique is possible here. External ear, that is called pinna, and are present. Different type of teeth are present in the heart is a fourth chamber. They are the homeothermosis. Respiration is by lungs. Sexes are separate and fertilization is internal. They are the viviparous with a few exceptions, and the development is a direct. Example: oviparous Ornithohynus, that is called platypus. Viviparous Marcopius, kangaroo. Petropus, that is flying fox. Camulus, that is camel. Masca, monkey. Rattus, rat. Conis, dog. Felis, cat. Elephantus, that is elephant. Equus, horse. Delphinus, common dolphin. Balenopetra, blue whale. Panthera tigris, tiger. Panthera leo, lion. The silent distinguishing features of all the phyla under the animal kingdom is comparatively given in the table 4.2. This is a silent feature of a different phyla in the animal kingdom. This is a phyla: level of organization, symmetry, coelom, segmentation, digestive system, circulatory system, respiratory system, and the distinctive feature. Phyla में पोरीफेरा, लेवल ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, सेलुलर, सिमेट्री वेरियस, सिलोम एब्सेंट, सेगमेंटेशंस एब्सेंट, डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम एब्सेंट, सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम एब्सेंट, रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम एब्सेंट, डिस्टिंक्टिव फीचर्स, बॉडी विथ पोर्स एंड द कैनल्स इन द वॉल्स. Then coelentratus, that is called Cnidaria, tissue radial, absent, absent, incomplete, absent, absent, synodoblast present. Ctenophora, tissue, radial, absent, segmentation absent, digestive system incomplete, and the circulatory system absent, respiratory system absent, distinctive feature comb plated for locomotion. Platyhelminthes level of organization organ and the organ system symmetry bilateral, coeloms absent, segmentation absent, digestive system incomplete, circulatory absent, respiratory absent, and the distinctive feature flat body sucker. SK helminthes level of organization organ system symmetry bilateral, coelom pseudocoelomate, and the segmentation absent, digestive system complete, circulatory system absent, respiratory system absent, distinctive feature often warm, sepate, elongated. Annelida organ level of organization is the organ system symmetry bilateral, coelomate, and the segmentation present, digestive system complete, circulatory system present, respiratory system absent, distinctive features body segmentations like ring. Then arthropoda organ system, then symmetry is bilateral, coelom is a coelomate, then segmentation is a present, digestive system complete, circulatory system present, respiratory system present, and the distinctive feature endoskeleton of the cuticle jointed appendage. Then mollusca, then our level of organization organ system symmetry bilateral, coelomate, then segmentation absent, digestive system complete, circulatory system present, respiratory present, and then distinctive features external skeleton of a cell usually present. Echinodermata, the level of organization organ level symmetry radial, then coelom, that is coelomate, segmentation absent, digestive system complete, circulatory system present, respiratory system present, then distinctive features water vascular system radial symmetry. Then hemichordata में organ system, then symmetry, this is bilateral, then coelomate, then segmentation absent, digestive system complete, then circulatory system present, respiratory system present. Distinctive features worms like with proboscis collar and the tongue. Then last में है chordata level of organization organ system, then symmetry is a bilateral symmetry, coelom is coelomate, segmentation is a present, and the digestive system is a complete, and the circulatory system is a present, respiratory system is a present. Then distinctive feature is the notochord, dorsal hollow nerve cord, gill, silts with limbs or fins. The summary. The basic fundamental features of a such label of organization symmetry, cell organization, coelom, segmentation, notochord, etc. have enables to the broadly classify the animal kingdom. Beside the fundamental features, there are the many other distinctive characters which are specified for each phyla or a class. Porifera included multicellular animals which exhibit cellular level of organization and have characteristics as flagellated cononocytes, and the coelenteratids have tentacles and the bear synodoblast. They are the mostly aquatic, sessile, and the free floating. The ctenophoras are the marine animals with a comb-like. The platyhelminthes have the flat body, exhibit bilateral symmetry. The parasite forms are so distinct suckers and hooks. SK helminthes are the pseudocoelomate and including parasite as well as the non-parasitic roundworm. Annelidas are the metamerically segmentation animals with true coeloms, and the arthropodas are the most evident group of animals characteristic by the presence of jointed appendix. The molluscas have a soft body surrounded by the external calcareous cell. The body is covered with the external skeleton made of the chitin, and the echinodermata possess spiny skin. Their most distinctive features is the presence of a water vascular system. The hemichordatas are a small group of worm-like marine animal. They have a cylindrical body with a proboscis collar and the trunk. Phyla chordata include animals which possess a notochord either through the during early embryonic life. Other common features observed in the chordatas are the dorsal hollow nerve cord and the paired pharyngeal gill silt. Some of the vertebrates do not possess jaw. Agnatha whereas most of them possess a jaw, that is Ganonothostomata. Ignathus is represented by the class Cyclostoma, and they are the most primitive chordatas, are a ectoparasite on fishes. Ganethostomas have two superclasses, Pisces and the Tetrapoda. Classes of the chordanocytes and osteocytes bear fins of locomotion and group under the Pisces. The chordanocytes are fish are cartilaginous, endoskeletons are marine. Classes are amphibian, reptile, apes, mammals. Mammalia have two pairs of limbs are thus grouped under the tetrapoda. Amphibians have adapted to the live both reptiles are characteristics by the presence of a dry and cornified skin. Limbs are present in snakes. Limbs are present not absent in snake. Fishes, amphibians, and reptiles are the Poikilothyrmus, cold-blooded. Apes are a warm-blooded animals with feathers on the body and the forelimbs modify into wings for flying. Hind limbs are adapted for walking, swimming, and the parsing or collapsing. The unique feature of the mammals are presence of mammary gland and hairs on the skin. They commonly exhibit VB parotry.